Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's topic is adjectives in English grammar. Adjectives are words that describe a noun or a pronoun, a person, place or thing. Adjectives gives information about size, shape, age, color, origin or the material. Now what is the definition? An adjective is a part of speech which describes, identifies or qualifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, she is wearing a red kurta. Now, in this sentence, red is describing the kurta. So, here, red is the adjective. Now, there are different kinds of adjectives. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, distributive adjective. Now let's discuss each one of them in detail. First is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality is used to describe the quality of a person or thing. For example, size, shape, color, material, origin or purpose. The tall boy is my classmate. So in this sentence, tall is the quality of the boy. He is a clever boy. In this sentence, clever is the quality of boy. Sarah is a beautiful girl. Here in this sentence, beautiful is the adjective of quality. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity is used to indicate the number or amount of things. For example, some, little, much, enough, all, no, any, whole, several. There was no water in the bottle. No here in this sentence is telling about the quantity. How much quantity is there in the bottle. She found many pencils under the bed. Now, adjective of number. Adjective of number tells the exact number of nouns. It answers the question how many. For example, this book has 300 pages. Adjective of number tells the exact number. I have one pet. So here, one is the adjective of number. Now, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives are used to point out the nouns. For example, this, that, these, those. This is my bag. In this sentence, this is the demonstrative adjective. Those books belongs to her. Now, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. For example, what, whose, where, why, how, which. Whose book is this? It asks the question. It is asking, whose book is this? Which glass is mine? Now, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are used to show possession. For example, my, his, her, our, their, its, your. This is her book. So if I ask whose book is this, so I'll say this is her book. This is showing the possession. She likes your hat. Now, distributive pronoun. Distributive pronouns are used to show that the person or things are counted collectively. They are usually used with singular nouns and refer to the members of a group as individuals. For example, each, every, either and neither. Each student was asked to complete the form. So here in this sentence, each is the distributive pronoun. Now, degree of comparison. This is also a part of adjectives. So there are 3 degrees of comparison. First is positive degree, second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. Now we'll discuss each one of them in detail. Positive degree is used to compare 2 persons or objects. It has a specific pattern. So let's see what pattern positive degree has. As plus adjective plus as. For example, she is as smart as her sister. The other pattern is no less plus adjective plus than. So we can say that child is no less tall than that girl. Not more, adjective plus than. Raj is not more attractive than his brother. Okay, so positive degree has basically these three types of patterns. Now, comparative degree. This is also used to compare objects or persons but in a different pattern. So what is the pattern of comparative degree? Subject plus to be, then adjective plus er, or more plus adjective, then. For example, Sam is younger than Rohan. My drawing is more colorful than her drawing. Now, superlative degree. This is used to compare three objects or persons. And what is the pattern? Subject plus to be, the most plus adjective or adjective plus est, then of or in. For example, he is the funniest of all the boys. She is the most beautiful girl in the party. Okay. Now thank you for watching my video. If you like watching and if you understand what are adjectives, please hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.